explore the creek, see how far I can go up it, see what I can find, hopefully find some cool things, you never know, and just explore a little bit.
Turn around, turn me on the other way. I know you're gonna try and bring me down. Run round my feet on the other way.
Hey, you don't want to fall into that. Yo, that's great. Trail is starting to end. That doesn't matter. I'll make my own trail if I have to. Ooh. Shopping cart. That is kind of creepy, not gonna lie. It's a big pine cone.
This year told myself to be a better one. Try not to fall back.
The end of the creek. It's kind of dried out, obviously, because we're in California, but kind of led to a dead end. Somebody's backyard, their house, so I'm gonna kind of stop, go back, and see what else I can find, you know? Alright, this cool tree right here. Super sick lookout. I'm gonna climb it.
Won't be there in time. No,
That was scary. I'm gonna step my hand.
there in time. No, I won't be there in time. No, I won't be there in time.
This probably won't be the end of the video, but thanks for watching. Not sure what I'm gonna do next. I'm probably gonna head back to my dorm. The sun's coming down, but yeah, that was a pretty fun trip. Found some pretty cool spots back here. And yeah, it was really relaxing. Put the hammock up and everything. So yeah, it was pretty cool. Get it.
Dating in the skinny jean wearer, fro for days in the OAA. Boss low, most fools couldn't price me silent stunt with a blunt full of PE. And I guess you know me, been in NY so long, got trust they family, especially Brooklyn. Shout out to the Mahdi's. My bloodline runs deep, nights I don't sleep. Figure it's my pops keeping me away and me keep my mind at the clouds for reality. These motherfuckers can't fathom the wizardry. Slow-mo brain that's backwards cowards. Take a shower, your attitude stinks. Wanna know what I think? Hey, my mojo so dope, bitch. My mojo so dope.
Yeah, we live it, yeah, we own it. Give a fuck about your lifestyle, give a fuck about a motherfucking lifestyle. Cause nigga, we live this shit. Give a fuck about your lifestyle, give a fuck about a motherfucking lifestyle. Cause
Hey,
nigga,
I live through words, not metaphors, so I passed to be the rest of the freshmen. Played for talk, off in the fade till it came like Pogart. Said true things. A whole new legion of some niggas aiming high past the idea slang, and praise Allah for keeping me away, man. A lot of my niggas fell victim to the dope game. Some things will never be the same. Wishes I could tell my brother something for some motivation to get him out that gutter. He's leaving behind a family and a mother. Damn, you must understand what I speak about this song. It's how I really am. Yeah, this is how I really think. You can see what I see. Yes, I really blink. Yes, I really drink. I really do rage. My demons at the cage by most of the day. Before I became the age to even rage, I was drowning my sorrows with some OE, nigga. Hey, we live this shit.
Broken glass in the hallway, bloodstained floors, neighbors. Look at every bag you bring through your doors. Lock the top lock. Mama should've cuffed me to the radiator. Why not? It might've saved me later from my block and why cops. Hookers crawling off the stroke, coughing stitches in their head, stinking, and I dread thinking they be snitching. But who else could it be? Sugar D's or Mark Vans parked in the dark. Knocks, where's your heart? Hustle and starve. They bust a Huey, I jog to my building. Come out later wearing camouflage. See the sergeant and the captain. Stranglemen, niggas gasping for air till they move no more and just stare with dead eyes. Tired of riots, shit is quiet. Simple-minded fools infiltrate grimy crews. Overcrowded cribs, uncles home from bed, sisters pregnant, fathers on drugs, moms are smoking, beds is piss infested. Had 8 partners growing up, 8 turned to 7.
Outside, or like it's drizzling, it's like wet on the ground. But I found this spot under this bridge that's dry. Check this out. It's like this metal thing you can ollie onto, and then there's this rock. I don't know. We'll just see what I can do. Let's get creative here.
Slang changing. 3 of us now, 4th nigga ain't around. We all thought it was real. He did the snake shit, fake shit, beat his ass down. Yo, his mouth could've got us all wasted. What a fucking clown. All I got left in the end is 2 of my best friends, and we all going out to the death for these ends. Whoa. Heard about it, you see about it, you read about it. It's in your papers, it's in your daily news. New York Chronicles, every day. The crime rate, the murder rate, the money rate, the paper chase. You know what I mean? New York state of mind, baby. Check it out. I'm at the gambling spot, my hands on the knot. New York Yankee cap, cover my eyes, stand in one spot. I take a nigga dough, send him home to a shoebox. You lost that nigga, I put your dollar in the jukebox. Hear my favorite song, all these niggas sing along. All the cigarette smokes clogging my lungs. Hood rats flashing their tongue, young thugs blasting their gun. We got reputations, bitches and niggas both on parole or probation. Shit is sick, niggas got gats, army fatigues. I got my eyes glued on whoever walk in the league. Cause I ain't playing, niggas will run up in here and shoot up this shit. Stick your ass up, niggas will find the loot in your kicks. Bunch of triple cross niggas, just New York niggas. Lift you off your feet when they was just talking with you. Some of these dudes the feds be on them, you know them for years. Be the type when you walk in the pub, they offer you beers. That ain't gangster, niggas is up north with tatted tears. Your name's on the affidavit, you ratted kid. Faggot ass niggas that be scared to do their bids. Fuck you, we run you out of NY, you can't live. Got your quiet niggas that relocated down south, coming back to floors. Then you got the jealous loudmouths. All of a sudden we got Crips.
Thanks for watching.
DTs running around quick to split your mug. It's easy to score.
I'm about done. Probably gonna go get something to eat. But thanks for watching, everyone. Hopefully I see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe. Peace.